According to Yoruba history, the early settlers noticed these birds nesting in large numbers, and the presence of the storks became an important sign. This is why the people of Modakeke proudly call themselves Akoraye descendants, children of the stork. Over time, the stork became not just a bird but a symbol of identity, unity, and rebirth for the people of Modakeke. Akoraye Day is an annual celebration held every December. It's more than a festival, it is a day of heritage, unity, and development. Started many years ago by community leaders and the Modakeke Progressive Union, Akoraye Day was created as a way for the people to come together, celebrate their culture, and raise funds for community development. Government support is often not enough. So Modakeke people decided to take their destiny into their own hands. And every year, sons and daughters of the soil, home and abroad, return to celebrate Akoraye Day with pride, traditional drumming that echoes the voice of the ancestors. Colorful dances celebrating the strength of Akoraye descendants. Masquerade displays showcasing the spirituality of Yoruba heritage. Prayers from elders, asking for prosperity and unity. It is also a time when the Oriki of Modakeke is recited, words that remind the people of their origin and the courage of their forefathers. Here, culture is not just entertainment. It is identity. The celebration also serves as a massive homecoming. Indigenes living in Lagos, Abuja, Europe, America, and other parts of the world return to reconnect with their roots. You can feel the joy in the air. The sound of talking drums. The colorful fabrics. The embracing of old friends. And the warmth of family gatherings. Ode, Modakeke is a blend of tradition and modernity. The people continue to preserve their history while embracing new opportunities. Akoraye Day has become a symbol of how a community can rise together, through culture, unity, and vision. The festival also focuses on education. Each year, more than 25 schools send their brightest students to participate in the Akoraye Day quiz competition, a battle of knowledge, confidence, and intelligence. The festival opens with powerful cultural displays, talking drums, battle dancers, traditional chants, and the rich Oriki of Modakeke, celebrating the children of Akeo. Akoraye Day is more than a celebration. It is a story of identity, a symbol of pride, and a reflection of the unbreakable spirit of the Modakeke people. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Akoraye, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Moma Ondo TV for more videos on culture, history, and African heritage.